Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will talk about how to create a 2D array in Python using numpy package. And this is the part 1. I will upload more parts so you can understand how you can create 2D arrays. So the first method we are going to create a 2D array is using list. So we have two lists. The first list have the values of weight. So for example, first we have to import a package which is numpy, and now we are going to create a variable of weight, weight weight variable, and here we are creating a list. So let's start with 25, 30 and 44. Okay, and here is the height. So the height will be which are in inches. Okay, so now I'm going to create a 2D array. So first I am going to create a variable which is new height, new 2D array, new 2D array equals to, so I'm using the function np array, and here I am going to use square bracket, and then I'm using the first variable weight, weight, comma, the second variable height. Okay, and now in the next step I'm going to print the variable 2D. So let's check it out. So here we go, we have successfully created 2D array 25, 30, 40 and 1.75, 1.69 and 1.85. So in this way you can create 2D array. In the next video we will talk how you can create a 2D array with a list of lists. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you.